I think that's better. Good morning, everyone. This is Dee with D&D Gardening, and welcome to our channel. Today is, what is today? May 14th, and it is Wednesday. It's Wednesday, and it is 7:13 a.m. Okay, y'all. Yesterday, it was really windy over here. Well, hello, Mr. Bird. It was really windy here, and I had my greenhouse sitting here on the edge of the patio, and I should have moved it, but I didn't. And the wind took it, and it fell on my corn. And all of the seedlings that I had inside the greenhouse, my shishito peppers, my golden acre cabbage, goodness, what else? My tomatoes, all of those seedlings were crushed. A lot of them came out of their pots. Luckily, I still have some inside the house that are growing. They are in the process of developing their true leaves, so I'm not able to bring those out yet. Yeah, my popcorn got squished. I know it's too late to try to replant shishito peppers because peppers take a long time to grow, and I ain't too happy. I'm not happy. But what I'm getting ready to do right now is try my best to fix the corn because it's all like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So I need to mound the dirt around it so I can try to get it to stand up. I moved my greenhouse in between the two bookshelves, so that should be fine. But, or I say bookshelves, they're not bookshelves, the two shelves. And yeah, so right now my first task is clean up, so let's get started. Alright, y'all see my corn? It makes me so sad. One of them's broken. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to recover these from that. Some of them, like these that were here, they were not damaged. It's just right here where it fell. And it looks like some over to the left. And I'll show y'all my poor tomato seedlings. But let's get busy on this. See if there's some kind of way I can get this corn to stand up without breaking my neck on this incline. Let's see if I can do this. And why is this thing making that much noise? Y'all come on, stand up for me. Nope, y'all not gonna stand up. This one's bent. That one's bent. This is soil that came out of the pots that had my shishito peppers and everything in. Yeah, y'all, I don't think I'm gonna be able to save it. I'm not going to be able to save them. Nope. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. I wasn't able to come out and immediately grab the greenhouse because we were having a new roof installed yesterday, and so debris and shingles and everything was falling in the back. But I kept my eyes out for my corn and everything was fine. Nothing, fell on it or anything. I found 3 stakes. That's all I have left out of all of the other stakes that I had because they are all being used. This just hurts me. See if I can. That's not going to stand up because it's not deep enough. I need to pound it into the ground. Yeah, these are not going to stay. Okay, that's the end of the corn. And that's fine. I'll just do something else because I'm just going to do something else. Anyway, because if I keep thinking about it and looking at it, I'm going to just get mad. Okay, so here's the table that I put all of my stuff in that was on the in the greenhouse, and you see what my tomato seedlings look like. I mean, they're just so I'm just going to chalk this up as a loss, and that's it. That's all I can do. But sometimes they say when it rains, it pours. Well, it's pouring on me right now. And it's actually not pouring on me, y'all. I'm just disappointed that all of this just, all of my work and effort is just gone. But this is soil I can reuse, so if there's any that I find in here, I am going to reuse it. That's not completely attached to a bunch of roots. But these little seedlings, they're done. And they didn't know that is too fast to be driving in an alley. That's just too fast. People just don't care anymore, do they? Alright, let go. You'll see them in a minute. My apologies for being quiet. I am trying to look at these and see if I can save at least one or two. I am just upset my shito peppers got crushed. I wouldn't have cared as much about the tomatoes, but the pepper, oh my goodness. My little feelings are hurt. So far, there's just one that I have found that is possibly savable. So what I am going to do is I am going to repot them. They need some water. Alright, where'd I put my watering can? Oh. Oh, no, it's not in here.
A few moments later.
Oh. Give that some time to fill up. Okay, so I'm going to use the soil that came out of the pot to repot. There's one little shishito pepper that I see that looks like it could be saved. Yeah, it's just a little after 7 and it's already warm out here. We're not supposed to get any rain until Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I believe. So, that's good. Putting just a little in the hole, because there's already plenty in the soil. And I'm going to put some mycos on it. And in it. Hang in there, little fella. I'm going to do the best I can to help you. Alrighty. Let's get you to stand up. And of course I'm going to water around it and not on it. Because I don't want it to get limp. put this in my, where am I going to put this? Alright, it's in my wheelbarrow. Or my cart. These all need to be washed. Along with these as well. And I had them all on the shelf so I can get them ready to be washed. I'm putting this in my cart. Alright, I'll blow that off soon. When I get done. But in the meantime, I need to water these 3. They're looking kind of funny. This is my peppermint. That is not controlling wasps. But I guess you have to have a whole lot of it. So I found something else. But I don't know if it's going to work or not. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to get off of that and we're going to do something else.